Action.
Hi, Sir Robert. I'm here. I'm here in USD.
Again?
Yes.
Yes.
It's
I
nice.
found a beautiful lady to interview about tax. She's there.
Oh.
I'm here. Hello.
Hi. Hi. What's your name?
Again, my name is
Again.
Esther.
Yeah.
Kustelida.
Yeah, she's Esther, and I'm going to ask some questions about tax.
Sumbong kita.
So Esther, what do you know about taxes? Tax.
What do I know about
Yeah.
taxes? There are collections from the government that are put on certain things. There are all kinds of tax. Customs tax, taxes for people going in, taxes for people leaving, taxes on everything, basically.
There are too many kinds of taxes.
No, there are not too many kinds.
So many. By how? By how much?
They're just classified.
They're just classified.
Certain categories for specific things.
Okay. Now I will ask her. Why do we need tax? Why do we need tax?
Well, it depends what kind of tax you're talking about. For every tax, there's a specific purpose. But basically, the government will gather tax to support its projects, its own military, the projects of its country. All kinds of reasons. Taxes are the government's private funds that they should put back into the country.
So we need tax to services, government services. Yeah. Now I know. Thank you, Miss Aster. It's a nice interview with you. Thanks.
No problem.
Can you tell Sir Robert again?
He deserves a high grade as well.
My name is Marky.
Marky deserves a high
Yeah.
grade. He does.
Oo nga, sir. Pagbigyan niyo na po ako. Bye-bye. Thank you, miss.